Hey guys, today we are next to my Golf MK7 and I'm going to try to enable a feature. Maybe it's something that you want to do in your car. So by default, when your car is open, you can access the trunk, and once you close it, you cannot open it. But there's a coding that will enable a 20 or 30 second delay on the trunk lock. So when you lock the car, you can hide your keys into your pocket and still have enough time, those 30 or 20 seconds, to open the trunk. It will remain open for this short period of time, so you can access whatever you have over there and then close the lid and the car will be completely closed. Okay, so let's try to code it and then let's check if it actually works. So I have OBD11 app over here already connected to the car. Let's go over here to the modules list. Let's go to module 09, Central Electrics. We are going to first enter the security access code, which will allow us to make changes. So let's go to security access and you can select the code 31347 or type it manually if you cannot see it on this list. It was accepted, and right now go to Adaptation. Now access control, channel called access control. There are 3 access control channels, so let's select the access control, the first one, and over here let's use the search, and this is the channel. I'm not going to try to read it out loud. This is German, and you can check it in the description below this video. And let's set it to active. It's not active by default. Let's set it to active. Slide to right. It was accepted. Okay. Home. Disconnect from the car, and let's check if it worked. So the car is open. I'm not going to close it. And
a few minutes later.
Okay, I checked the documentation and this feature works slightly different than I told you in the first place. So when your car is locked, your trunk is locked. But if you use this button, the middle button on the remote, just to unlock the trunk, and you close it, you can still use it. So if you, for example, left your keys in the trunk, you have 20 or 30 seconds to get them out from the trunk. And if we wait right now those 20 or 30 seconds and try to open the trunk again, I believe it will remain closed. So let's wait. This is a good time to give me a thumbs up if you like this tutorial. Also, you can subscribe to make sure you will not miss my new videos. Let's give it a few more seconds. I don't know. You think it's enough? Let's check. Closed. Okay. Thank you for watching and see you soon.